Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a minute since I recorded. I've just been busy. So right now we're about to go drop off boxes at FedEx and USPS. After that, we're gonna come back and I'm gonna show you guys my new tent that we got for shows, to attend shows. You know, to set up my little booth with my merch, some parts and everything. So you guys stay tuned for that. Alright, so why did we get this booth? Like I said, we got it to attend shows and like get my page more out there, I guess, and also to provide merchandise for anyone that wants to support, even if they don't have OBS to buy parts for, but they could buy our merch to support, because there's a lot of people that want to support. Also, Truckin' Madness is this Saturday, March 16th in Kern County, in the Raceway. So we're gonna attend that. It was hella last minute, but one of my boys told me, hey, a vendor backed out. I wanted to attend the show before, but vendor spots sold out. So I hit up one of my boys, his name's Chupadita, and I told him, hey, can you get me in? He was like, hey bro, someone just backed out. And I was like, bet bro, I'm gonna hop on it right away. So I hopped on it, you know, he got me situated. I got the spot down, so we're attending. It's last minute, but hey, we're gonna make it possible. So stay tuned. Right here, backwards in the handicap. Alright, I just got to USPS, and these are all the eBay orders. Just for my main orders, I use FedEx. Hello, how you doing?
Help the homeless, go help the homeless when you come out.
Here we go. Show you guys how we do this. It's pretty simple. I kind of like it better than FedEx. Okay, that one's going to Dallas, Texas. Box going to Arkansas. Still this one. Shout out to Kansas. Shout out to Dallas again. Last but not least, San Bernardino. Alright, that's around the corner. I guess they get stuck or something. Maybe it was too big of a package. Oh, I think the box that grabs it when you throw it, like when it goes down, was full already. Well, that's it. Dominoes. All right, man, you have a good one.
All right, have a good day. Oh, you didn't die, no.
No, I voted last time.
You didn't. I have one, you didn't.
No, I did vote. You don't remember me? I voted.
Oh, you got it.
Yeah, remember? And I asked you if you needed help in your car. Okay, yeah. You have a good one. All right, so that's done. Ugh. eBay orders. You guys check out my eBay store. I don't post big things. I just post like little stuff, but I mean a lot of people need them apparently, because I've been selling out a lot. So you guys stay tuned. Now I'm going back home and I'm gonna set up that tent for you guys. All right guys, so I'm home now, and now it's time to set up this tent. This tent was made by Famous Graphics. I'll put his Instagram down below. But I've never set up this tent, so it might be a while until I figure it out, but let's do it. So the final product is finished. That was To be honest, that was my first time putting one of these tents up. It's looking good. Está chingona esta madre. Like I said again, shout out to my boy Infamous Graphics. He made this possible. Look at this. I thought it's not even those cheap ones. It's like it's thick. I guess we ready for trucking madness now. Oh yeah. So they had a 10 by 10. They had this 10 by 10 available, or that 10 by 20. But I was like, let's start off small. Let's see what we're working with. And also, like, say I want to go to a show and I have a 10 by 20 tent. Those come together. You can't separate them, the 10 by 20s. Say I want to go to a show and that show only has a 10 by 10 spot available. So I could pull up with this one. And I could just buy another 10 by 10 separately and just put them together and make a 10 by 20. So I could get a 10 by 20 spot. And I won't get left out if there's a show that only has a 10 by 10 available. What do you guys think? I'm loving it. Sheesh. It's pretty sick. It comes with a bag. Got some little wheels so I won't struggle carrying it. There it is. Sheesh. Alright, like I said again, thank you again. Shout out to Infamous Graphics. I'll put his Instagram down below. He gave me some goodies, his stickers. He even gave me a hat. So shout out him. He made this possible. When I was looking for somebody to make me a tent, he came through. Shout out to Efrain. He also referred me to him. So appreciate Infamous Graphics. You guys go check him out and get your guys' canopies. The best in town.
She saying she wanna have all of my kids, you wish you did. Don't really get all the shit, she saying she wanna come find me again. Going so fast I'ma crash, do the dash on the pills and stash with the cash. On the cash with the guitar, niggas won't bash. I've been coming up, he hard, niggas won't last. Got a Glock with a beam and a dick on my lap. Wish nigga would like Yahoo, that V-I-C-E. That's me, that's that codeine IP, go to sleep, relax. I wake up, I hear my new song on the radio. Couldn't be faced cause I'm stuck with a crazy.
Yo, now we're in downtown LA, and then I'm gonna just pick up some shirts real quick just to get done so I could have merchandise to sell. Hola, verga, my fucking hat fell off. Oh, what the fuck? Damn, windy as fuck. Already put in our order. Now we're just waiting to get our shirts. We're getting black and white t-shirts. Now we're just waiting patiently. We're gonna receive the shirts, then we're gonna go down to Paramount with my boy to drop them off so he can start working on them, and hopefully they'll be done before the show. Well, they will be. So right. All right, we got the shirts. Now we're here about to drop them off with my boy, the one that prints them. He's gonna get the job done. Now we're just looking for his suite. He's located in Paramount on the right. You got it? ¿Sí puedes o no?
A huevo, por eso lo traigo. Light work for me. This is light work for me.
Yeah, my boy just moved here. He used to be in San Pedro, but now he got a big ass facility. That's my boy working right there. Putting in the work. Yeah, this is way bigger. Say what's up to the YouTube though. I'm recording for my YouTube channel. Ahí están las camisas, güey. Alright, so we dropped off the shirts. Now my boy's just gonna give me a receipt. He's helping me out because this is all last minute, like I said. He's gonna have them ready for me tomorrow night, which is Thursday night. So it gives me plenty of time. I'm gonna let him shout himself out right now, so you guys can come check him out. Folks with him, good ass quality work. He made these shirts right here. So he's gonna make more of these so I can take to the show. And one of my new shirts is gonna be with this logo in the front, Mexican OBS Sports logo in the front. So it's gonna go good. So, all right, right now we're at the bank. I came to the bank to take out more money for the shirts. We gotta give a down payment. So I had dropped off the shirts, and then I came to get food. I couldn't sell him; he wanted cash. So that's what we're doing right now. We're here at Chase. I bank with Chase. Y'all go follow Chase. Let him know I sent you. Sign up. Chase. Que andamos con los compas. Ya mero, acabamos. Damn, why is it taking so long though? They got C's candy up in here too, look. That one chocolate store from the mall. But yeah, they got a shit ton of stuff right here. Sheesh. I think my boy's taking me into the lab. Is that not it? Oh, I bet. So right there you transfer it to the thing or what?
Yeah, I'm gonna put it over there to the other side, and then after this, I'll pintar it.
There you go, they're printing. This is a screen print. I guess it's like better high definition, better quality. This machine's like 30 grand. So it should be in good quality. Alright, wow, screen print? Printing this is like 30 grand. ¿Cuánto cuesta la machine, güey?
Unos 30 racks.
30 grand, ahí está, David. See how looks better, looks brighter. Ya quedó chingona esa madre. And now you just dry it up, huh? On that little thing? So right there, still like wet, bro. Like si la tocas se te mancha.
Como si fuera un papel, pero no está bien. Lo que le puse, la lechilla esa que le puse es para que quede bien. Si no, nomás te queda, no sale color, pues. Se ve el diseño, pero no se ve como papado, pues.
That's just better. That's sick.
I can tell there's like no.
Now you can shout it out, everything, the Instagram, the address. Graphics all day is gonna go down right here. Graphics all days. Comes through all the time. I told him I need 100 shirts done. He said no problem. Good quality. Recommend. Where you guys located at? Paramount. I'll put the address on the description and everything. Here we go, and shout out to my boys too. Look, good dang. She said, good dang.
Just imagine the person that's in
But
here
yeah,
all
you guys
day.
should check him out.
I'm already sweating.
Check him out. He has great work, good ass work, everything. So you guys follow him, ask him for any questions. Let him know that I sent you guys. He'll hook you guys up. He'll get work done too. Ahí estamos. Oh, look at how fresh it is out here. Well, that's it. That's it for this YouTube video. You guys stay tuned. The next video is gonna be me at the actual meet, and that's about it. Please like, share, and subscribe to this video. Share with your friends, your mom, your dad, your cousins, primos, everything.
Everybody.
But yeah, let's see how the show goes. Like I said, March 19th, located in Kern County Raceway. You guys pull up and support. You guys will see my big ass tent. shirts, parts, stickers, decals. You guys pull up and let's make it happen. Hey, if you guys go to my booth and you guys say you guys are here because of YouTube, I'll give you guys a little free sticker. So my YouTube people, you guys have a little cheat code you guys can do for a free sticker. So pull up. If not, you can just buy a shirt. If you buy a shirt, it'll come with a sticker. I'll take care of you guys. Thank you for watching this full video. Like I said again, please share, subscribe, and until the next one. Sheesh. Digan bye.
Saludos.
Pedro,
Nos vemos.
alegre de say bye.
Bye, mi amores.
Ah, Pedro.
Bueno, pues aquí venimos otra vez, nuevos proyectos, una neta por ahí, parte de Luis Estrada. Dale, pause.